According to family lore, Henry Ford once famously joked, "If I'd asked people what they wanted, they would have said faster horses." True innovation, it seems, takes a grander vision, requires a bit of foresight, of knowing your customers so well that you can predict what they'll want before they even know they need it. When some of those first Fords rolled off the assembly line in Detroit, our cables and wires helped make that giant leap in innovation possible by keeping it all connected. And while the horses leading the Pony Express had their place in history, we've been evolving communications ever since, innovating for over 90 years to design and manufacture something better, something faster, something thought impossible at the time.
Today, Superior Essex creates thousands of future-forward cabling products that empower our partners all across the globe to innovate and succeed in the automotive, commercial, residential, industrial, energy, and communications industries. We have dozens of sustainability certifications and hundreds of patents to our name, all of which keep us innovating and creating the cables that will sustain you today, tomorrow, and for decades to come.
As we peer into a future filled with self-driving cars, smart devices, and even smarter buildings that talk amongst themselves for the sake of our human health and happiness, who'd have thought we'd ever be here today? Well, we did. Because we're a future-focused company, constantly innovating upon cutting-edge technology and creating products for the next generation of connectivity.
Predicting our world's next needs and then designing a solution for whatever comes next has always been core to our company's makeup, just like how a horse loves to run. And as our world continues to change, so do we, innovating and evolving our products to meet the future demands of communications, so that no matter what happens over the next 90 years, we'll be here making the cable that connects us all.
Superior Essex Communications. We're everywhere you live and work.